Hello YouTube. I probably have the cutest cat ever. He's wicked cute. And whenever I go, Frankie, which is his name, he'll meow. It's really cute. Here he is. Frankie! Frankie! And you just go, Frankie! Beans. That's our other cat. Beans! Doesn't really do anything. But he's like wicked cute. Whenever you go, Frankie! He'll meow. I'm also going to feed him a piece of chicken. It's very cute when you feed him a piece of chicken too. Alright, here's the chicken. And you can see he's already climbing up on the refrigerator. Here's the chicken. Let's get a little bit. Got a piece of chicken. And he climbs up on the fridge. Frankie, watch out! Jump! Frankie! Watch out! Jump down! Frank, it's right here. Come get it. Frankie, chicken! Ow! Don't, he's very aggressive. Ow! Stop it! He's really cute. So, Frankie! Now I have to feed Beans because it just won't be right if I feed one cat and not the other. So, Beans. Yeah. No, Frankie, you already had a piece. So yeah, that's my cat Frank. I hope you guys liked this video. And please subscribe. Frankie! Yeah, whatever. Alright, please subscribe on this video. Peace!